Hey, good morning from Big Flat Campground at the South Fork River Ho area in the Olympic National Park. Super hungry this morning, so we're going to cook a mushroom omelet, some hash browns, and bacon. So let's go over all the ingredients I'm using for today. All my ingredients today are either freeze-dried or dehydrated. I have some shiitake mushrooms that I picked up from an Asian grocery store. I recommend Asian grocery stores for some of your freeze-dried foods. Some hash browns, some standard eggs, and some bacon. Also have a little bit of cheese, some of my Kerrygold butter, garlic butter, and some salt and pepper and hot sauce. So I had already added water to my mushrooms a little earlier. I do suggest at least a couple hours for them to rehydrate. It takes a while. Here we're adding the water to my eggs. And we'll add some green onion to that. Now don't forget your salt and pepper. Alright, so we've got some water in our hash browns now. These are your standard hash browns you find at Walmart that come in that little styrofoam cup just like macaroni and cheese does. Here's your standard bacon that doesn't need to be refrigerated. It's all vacuum packed, vacuum sealed. Makes really good bacon in the morning. I love having chopsticks while I'm camping. So easy and lightweight. There's my Kerrygold garlic butter. It's going to be a good breakfast for sure. I love that sizzle. Got the hash browns in, they're cooking. Looking a little garlicky. Oh, let's add a little extra cheese. And hash browns and bacon. We just gotta cook the eggs. Now, we're gonna fill up the pot with water, and it's gonna, as a bonus, clean the pot out for us while we're cooking. The eggs will take about 4 to 8 minutes to cook. Kind of massage them around a little bit as the center takes the longest to cook, but we kind of want to keep it all together like an omelet. Breakfast is served. Mushroom omelet, hash browns, and bacon. Yummy. Well, another tasty meal. This one's a little bit fancier than a Mountain House meal pack. But it was a short trail for me, and I wanted to have a really home-cooked meal for breakfast. All right, thanks for visiting, and we will see you next episode.